I've used a ton of different trading tools and resources throughout my trading journey, and I've never seen someone put them all into one single video. So I'm going to go through the best tools regarding backtesting, journaling, free tools, paid tools, prop firm calculators, market news, everything you basically need to become profitable. I'm going to go through each one very quickly, and I'm not going to waste your time. None of these are affiliated or partnered with. And if you want the links, then they are all in my Discord community, link in the description. Financial Juice gives you live feed of what's happening across the financial markets so you can see what news is moving the market. Then we have Reuters. It is useful if you want to see the actual story behind a market event instead of just seeing the economic numbers. Bloomberg gives you more deeper insights of the market and what it's doing with live data and pretty much an all-in-one. And obviously I can't talk about news if I'm not talking about Forex Factory. This is the most popular one, and you can see the upcoming news coming here, and this is what most beginner retail traders use. Then we have the trading economics. This lets you see through economic data from different countries, and you can compare things like inflation, interest rates, and employment. Now moving on to analysis tools, we obviously got to mention TradingView. You obviously know what it is, but if you don't know, then it's a charting platform. You can use indicators, and this is usually where you do your daily analysis, and this is what I use myself as well. Then you got Go Charting. It's a more focused and advanced analysis tool with things like volume profiles, order flow, and then other tools you don't get from a basic chart. Then you got MyFXBook. It lets you connect your trading accounts so you can see your actual performance, things like win rates, a drawdown, your risk, your you can see it here as well. Going to calculators, we got the Omni calculator. It's not related to trading, but each time you want to calculate your win rate, you can do it here. Then we have the forex compounding calculator. If you never understand how people make so much money live trading, then you need to understand compounding. So this shows you basically what it can do. So you can put your starting balance here, and then you'll see the returns and the overall growth. So let me actually do an example. Let's say starting balance is $1,000. I make around 4% monthly, risking 1%. I do this for 1 year. You can add additional contributions, and you calculate, and you can see how much money you'll make, and etc, etc. So this just calculates your compounding pretty much. Okay, now this next one is a cheat code. It's an earn forex position size EA. So basically, if you're using MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 and you want a kind of like a magic keys that you can easily enter trades, then I don't need to even explain it. You can just go see it for yourself, and you'll be able to download it and connect it to your MetaTrader 5. And then lastly, for calculators, we got also one inside my FX book. You got the risk of ruin calculator, and they got plenty of different calculators inside here as well. So check that out. All right, going into trading journals now. I don't really need to give much of an explanation because you mostly know what they are. You can just journal your trades. It gives you automatic results for it, and etc, etc. So this first one is Trader Sync. Then next we have TradeZilla, which is the most popular using trading journal. I use this myself as well, and this does not only give journaling, but you can also do some back testing. You can add your prop firm syncing, AI insights, AI back testing. It's quite insane if I'm being honest, and they're adding a lot of tools, so check that out if you want. Then we got Stonk Journal. It's a top 1 free trading journals. It basically provides every single market, and it's quite simple, nothing too crazy. And then of course we got the Notion. You can use different templates for trading, and then you can also use Google Sheets. Here you can customize your own trading journal. A lot of people use this as well. It's free and it's customizable. You can also use Google Sheets, and there are templates. I mean, I already said that, but check it out for yourself. All right, so next we got trade management. So I already mentioned Earn Forex calculators. You can go check them out as well. But an alternative option is also Magic Keys, but this is paid, and you can also get a physical version for this as well. It doesn't really need an explanation. You can already see what it works on and what it looks like and what it looks like on MetaTrader 5 and etc. Then we got FX Blue is used to track your trading performance, and you can also do like trade copying here as well. And I guess you can just see it out for yourself. I don't really know that much about it, but check it out. All right, so the next topic is going to be trade copiers. So the first one is social trader tools. I don't really need to explain anything. So pretty much you just have like a lead account where you take most of your trades, and they'll all be copied to your follower accounts, and you can use brokers and prop firms. So the first one is social trader tools. The second one is Trade Syncer. It's the most used and popular one. You can pretty much see it looks very simple. And then last we got Trade Copier, which is also really simple. So that's trade copying for you. You basically take click a trade and it basically takes it on all of your accounts you have connected here. And you can see it supports a lot of different brokers and prop firms. All right, so next we got backtesting. We got FX replay. The reason I don't like FX replay is that it only allows just one broker. So basically their own broker. So you can't use through Vantage or Wanda, etc., etc. And they don't really have the best free version, but you can see it's quite good still and very popular. Next backtesting tool is obviously TradeSeller. Don't need to mention a lot about it because I already did before, but this is mostly what I use for backtesting. And also TradingView has their own backtesting tool as well. You always need to pay for it. I have it as well, but you can just go back in data and you can choose different brokers, and it doesn't actually give you analysis based off your backtesting, but if you want something very simple, you can use this as well. So I'm pretty much mentioning the same stuff. We got Go Charting. It also has a backtesting tool, and here, which I like, is that you can go back in a lot of time. Like you can go back like 20 years back. And then also, if you don't know, we got Trader Casa. Here is the best free one in my opinion. It shows you the basic analysis you need to see, and it also just gives you like ads every now and then. So it's a win-win for the company and it's a win-win for you. So you can very easily backtest here as well. And if you want to get the pro version, it's very cheap. All right, so if you're a prop firm trader, the next topic is prop firm resources. The first one we have prop firm match. I guess they're hiring it if you want a job, but pretty much it shows you the comparisons between prop firms, so you can choose the best one. It's just an all-in-one. You can see, you know, what assets does it have, how expensive it is, without going to each one of prop firms and analyzing these, you know, the account sizes and things like that. And I guess you can do giveaways, etc., etc. Then for a prop firm challenge calculator, you can use photon trading. So basically, if you have like a 60% win rate, your average risk reward is a 1 to 2, which you obviously need to do backtesting for, so you can get this data, and it basically shows the pass rate and maybe some tips as well, etc. So that is it for prop firm resources. Then the next topic is learning. So basically, baby pips, you already probably know what it is, but you can learn everything you need about trading pretty much, but it's mostly just like text and etc. We've got Investopedia, if I pronounce that right. Here is basically a little bit more complicated, but it's a good way to learn trading. Then obviously trading books. I don't really have a website for it, so I just pulled up Amazon, but definitely do read trading books. I read tons of trading books. I don't know what these are exactly, but definitely do look into trading books and start reading them. In my opinion, the best trading books to read are actually trading books that are not related to trading. So basically just mindset, psychology books, self-improvement books are the best to actually learn trading. That's my opinion. Then of course I had to mention ChatGPT. I mean, you can just ask it anything, no need to give an explanation for it. And then most importantly, the best place to learn is YouTube, especially my channel. So give me a subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.